Hari Om. Hari Om, dear parents, students, teachers, principal, all the staffs, and all those who have assembled here. I Hari Om to you all. I congratulate all the children who have won the various awards here. They have done well. I also congratulate all the teachers who have worked hard to make this possible, and also the parents who have put forth effort to make this possible. For everything we achieve in life, we need the support and help of many people around us. Once one person became very proud and he said that I can create anything. I don't require the help of anyone. I don't require the help of God also. So God asked him that can you create a small pin? He said yes. And he was about to pick up some mud from the ground, and Bhagwan said, no, you have to create the mud also. You have to create everything. So for all that we achieve in life, we get support from everyone around us, from our parents, from brothers, sisters, from the teachers, from society. So it is our duty that when we get something, we should also return it properly to everyone. Just as the coconut tree, when we water the plant, water the tree, it returns us the water, making it sweet. Similarly, when we get education, education is not meant only for our own joy and for our own fulfillment. The education should be beneficial to our family, to our society, to everyone around us. Hence, Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayanand Maharaj, who started this Chinmaya Vidyalayas all over the country, have kept this as the vision behind education. That education should bring about personal growth, integration of our own personality properly, our physical, emotional, intellectual and spiritual personality should grow and become healthy. But at the same time, we should also be aware of our own culture. Our culture is the land on which we grow. Our culture is like the land on which a tree also grows. If you uproot the tree will not survive much. Similarly, if we get uprooted from our culture, we will not survive in a healthy way. So we should be aware of our Indian culture, the vast and the rich culture. Also, we should be having that great devotion to our own country, patriotism. Unless we love our country, we will not be able to make it grow, make it prosperous. So we should have genuine love for our own country. And at the same time, we are also the citizens of the entire world. We should have a universal outlook. So all these faculties or facets should be part of education. Education is not only the academic thing, but it should help us to grow within. And that is the vision behind all Chinmaya Vidyalayas. And I am very happy that Chinmaya Vidyalaya Delhi is doing very well under the able leadership of our principal and also help of all the teachers and staff And I invoke on this day the blessings of Pujya Gurudev, blessings of God on all of us. May His grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. May His grace make us happy, and may we spread the message of happiness, peace, friendship, service, honesty in this whole world. I congratulate once again all those who are involved in making this Vidyalaya successful in its own way by sharing this wonderful knowledge with all these little kids. I invoke the blessings on this all our students, that may they do very well in life. Hari Om.